That should be a wide. Yes, it is. Just straying down the... tucked away off his pads. Nice flowing stroke. So puck not an Inzamam.
What a catch! What a catch! One-handed, trying to force it away on the offside. And Mohammed Hafiz has got a healthy edge. Taylor put out the right hand and plucked it out of the air. They were a bit both sides of the wicket, the Zimbabwe bowlers.
In the gap and gone for 4. Beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. 4.
Oh, great shot down the ground, nice and straight. Oh, great effort by Vettori on the boundary for a fast bowler. Puts the dive in.
It's gone straight up in the air. Keeper's catch. Takes it. There's a wicket for you. Oteya provides the breakthrough.
Let me tell you, that wasn't as easy as it looked. Brennan Taylor had lost it as it went up. In the end, a great catch. Pommy Mbangwa has done the trick. That one's found the gap. Should be easy too. But yeah, also in the last 2-3 overs, we haven't seen too many boundaries either.
It's a good shot. Very good shot. Well fielded. Tag team. Big shot, 6 runs.
Some innovation. It's going to get over Brian Vettori at short fine leg and probably run away for 4. Needs to get a move on. Now then.
Slow ball out the back of the hand. Nicely played. And they'll pick up an easy 2. Well fielded there by Brian Vettori. Oh, opportunity of a run out there.
That's a very, very ordinary delivery. And he found the gap. Bit of fortune. Maksud down the wicket, trying to get it away over mid-off, probably the extra. That's massive. Big boundaries here at the Harare Sports Club, right his shoulders since then. And again, check, drive straight down the ground, but Vusi Sabanda has made ground. He's covered, I reckon, 15-20 metres. What an athlete Vusi Sabanda is, and takes a comfortable catch in the end. I thought it had gone for 4, but it really started bracing. In the gap, third man up in the circle, so 50 up for Ahmed Shahzad. He was sedate early on, but has managed to get there off just 41 deliveries. He wasn't in control of that particular stroke.
There's a man there. Will he catch it? No, he won't. It's gone for 6.
Full toss, and that's going to go to the boundary.
Slower delivery. Straight to the man. Oh, good catch. Coolly done by Waller. He was aware of the boundary behind him, and so just tossed it up just in case. It's going to be checked.
But we'll have to see whether that was correctly taken, and also whether that was a no ball.
There's a man there, it's the same man, but he can't get to it.
Full toss, driven for
them. Up in the air, catches the call. It bounces short. Oh, it's a mix-up, big mix-up. Oh dear, that's hit the bats. That's a long way up. Has it gone all the way? Oh, not quite. Great effort. But bowled. 9 off it. In the end, Pakistan 161 for 5. A couple of wickets early, didn't continue to exert the pressure and allowed a couple of partnerships to form, but then pulled it back towards the end. And 161 for 5 they'll feel is fair, but could have been less. Still should be chaseable. A decent wicket, a good wicket to bat on. Didn't present any difficulty really for the Pakistanis.
I think Zimbabwe started off very well. They started off extremely well, claiming 3 wickets for 51. Then they lost their way somewhere in between.
For Zimbabwe.
Shot away, a little bit of movement for SOHAIL Tanvir. And that's his opening.
In previous games, he'd be better served. Trying to just take his time a little bit. Wonderful piece of timing from Masakadza. And equally good piece of fielding. Commitment. Not usually associate that sort of fielding with Pakistan sides, but they've got some.
That's a good shot. Oh, and that one they can't get.
That'll be for Futos, a bit ungainly. He'll be conscious of the fact that he needs to get it right. Down the wicket, Vusi Sabanda, trademark start. That's a very good shot. Using the wrists again, and he just was never going to get there. Right-handed. That's going to be 4 byes.
Oh dear, misfield. And there's the respite. It's well played. Very well. It's a good shot. Very good shot. Oh, it's going to be out, I reckon. Yeah, the finger's gone up. Finger's gone up. It wasn't short enough for that. And Pakistan get their breakthrough. Masakadza's got to go. He's got it fine. Lots of work for deep backward squares. Not going to get there, is he? Oh, excellent. Excellent effort. Save the goal. It's in the air. Man going towards it's not going to get there. Has he saved that? Oh, excellent. Excellent work. Syed Ajmal's the man there.
Pakistan need wickets. This one's going down to the boundary. 4 more as well.
There's that reverse sweep. On this occasion, Taylor able to get some bat on it. 41 balls. Well, he's not going to have the opportunity because he's gone back to a quicker one from Afridi. That's one thing you don't want to do, is play back to this bloke. It maybe stayed a little low, but he should have been on that front foot. Shots in the gap, too short from Afridi. Sweeps. That's the way he's going to get it to the boundary, and he's very quick between the wickets. Another example of that big outfield here. Big appeal, yeah, I thought so. It definitely was straight enough. It's whether he got that bottom edge or not is the question. He looks pretty disgruntled, Williams, looking at the willow. Incredulous look.
Oh, nicely done. He's very good at playing that shot. That's it, more intent. Have a go. He'll get 4 there, perhaps that breaks him.
And there's the substitution Zimbabwe supporters wanted. As quick as you like. Wicket keeper whoops the bells off. Quick one from Afridi. Timson Maruma nowhere near that.
That's why. Oh, has he got him? No, he's left the ball behind.
Yeah, I think he would have had him running past it. There we go. Here's a big shot. Has he found the gap? He's got enough on it. They need more of that, Duzum.
Bowled him. Looking for the big heave. And his middle stump was picked back. Now Afridi having a superb game.
Well, I'm not surprised this has happened because that's found the gap. It should run away for 4. The big man will not pull it back. He's got underneath that. That should land on the roof. Well, it bounced. Gettable, which I think sets us up for a great game tomorrow. I'm not interested in running Brendan Taylor. Was the last ball of the innings, and that's it. Pakistan win the first one-day international in the Zong Presents the High Cup here in Harare, the capital. Game 1 is Pakistan.
Came in and contributed with a wicket. SOHAIL Tanvir. 23 runs off his 4 overs. Didn't get a wicket, but kept things quiet and finished things off quite nicely.
And that man in picture always got something to contribute. Today was with bat and ball. Was really good. So all-round good performance. Ahmad Shahzad, he batted really well at the top of the order, held the innings together and assisted Pakistan in getting that 161 earlier on in the day. And they'll be pretty happy with the performance, will Pakistan. Job well done, smiles all round. It is job done, 1 out of 1.
Yeah, and it's a good start to the tour. So important to start well when you're